Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To use many features of Windows 11, you must establish an internet connection. Many homes and offices already have an internet connection. At work, you can check with your network administrator to find out how to connect. At home, you set up your own internet connection to your ISP, which stands for Internet Service Provider. Without an internet connection, you cannot open web pages, download information, or send and receive email. You can, however, look at emails already received and create new email using an email application like Windows Mail to send later after you connect to the internet again. There are many different types of both wired and wireless internet connections. The main difference between them is whether you need to connect a cable to your computer to access the internet connection or not. A secondary difference is the speed with which information is transmitted and received over the connection. The exact steps to create your computer's internet connection are provided by your internet service provider. Most often, you create the internet connection for a device when you set up Windows. To view your internet connection information in Windows 11 after creating the internet connection, right-click the Start button in the taskbar, and then click the Settings command in the pop-up menu to open the Settings app. Then click the Network and Internet button at the left side of the Settings window. At the right side of the Settings window, you can click either the Wi-Fi Settings button to view information about wireless connections, or click the Ethernet Settings button to view information about wired internet connections. The selected internet connection settings then appear at the right side of the app window. Alternatively, to view internet connection settings in Windows 11, click the Start button in the taskbar, and then click the All Apps link in the Start menu to show all apps on the computer. Then click the Windows Tools app icon to open the Windows Tools window in File Explorer. Then double-click the Control Panel icon in the File Explorer window to open the Control Panel window. If using the category view of the Control Panel, then click the View Network Status and Tasks hyperlink under the Network and Internet category to show your current internet connection and a listing of hyperlinks you can click to create a new internet connection or troubleshoot internet connections.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.